Welcome to our deep dive into the ocean's most intelligent creatures. Today we explore 5 ocean animals that might just be smarter than you think. The vast, shimmering expanse of our planet's oceans, covering more than 70% of its surface, holds within its depths a world of extraordinary life, a realm of perpetual twilight and crushing pressures, where evolution has sculpted beings of remarkable complexity and ingenuity. We, as terrestrial creatures, often look to the stars for signs of intelligence. Yet beneath the waves, a symphony of cognitive prowess unfolds daily, often unseen and unappreciated. These marine inhabitants, from the master of disguise to the cooperative hunter, have developed sophisticated strategies for survival, communication, and even, dare I say, contemplation in an environment that is both bountiful and unforgiving. Their minds, shaped by eons of adaptation, present us with a fascinating mirror to our own understanding of what it means to be intelligent. We shall journey into their world, observing the subtle and the spectacular, the quiet calculations and the bold maneuvers that define their existence. Join me, Lugarza Moreno, as we immerse ourselves in this exploration, seeking to understand the cognitive capacities of these remarkable animals. We will witness behaviors that challenge our perceptions and reveal the profound interconnectedness of life in the great blue. Prepare to be astonished by the cleverness that thrives in the hidden corners of our ocean, a testament to nature's boundless creativity and the enduring power of the mind in whatever form it may take. Our first subject is a creature of almost alien beauty and startling intellect, the octopus. With its boneless body, capable of squeezing through the tiniest of crevices, and skin that can change color and texture in the blink of an eye, it is a master of camouflage and evasion. But beyond these physical marvels lies a mind of considerable power. The octopus possesses a remarkably large brain-to-body ratio, with a significant portion of its neurons distributed throughout its 8 arms, each capable of independent action and, seemingly, independent thought. This decentralized nervous system allows for an astonishing level of multitasking and environmental interaction. Observations in both the wild and controlled environments have revealed their profound problem-solving abilities. They can navigate complex mazes, open jars to retrieve food, sometimes even unscrewing the lids from the inside, and have been known to use tools such as carrying coconut shells for later use as shelter. This foresight, this ability to plan for future needs, is a hallmark of higher intelligence. Their capacity for learning is equally impressive. They can learn through observation and even, it is suggested, exhibit distinct personalities, with some individuals being more curious or bold than others. The octopus's intelligence is not merely a tool for survival, it hints at a rich inner life. They engage in playful behavior such as repeatedly pushing objects into water currents and then catching them, an activity with no immediate survival benefit. Their incredible mimicry extends beyond simple camouflage. Some species can impersonate other, more dangerous sea creatures to deter predators. This complex tapestry of cognitive skills, from intricate motor control to sophisticated deception, firmly places the octopus amongst the ocean's most intelligent inhabitants, a true marvel of evolutionary engineering. We now turn our attention to a group renowned for their social complexity and playful acrobatics, the dolphins. These sleek marine mammals are celebrated for their intelligence and for very good reason. One of the most striking examples of their cognitive prowess is their use of tools. In Shark Bay, Australia, for instance, bottlenose dolphins have been observed carrying marine sponges on their rostrums or beaks. This behavior, known as sponging, is a learned technique passed down from mother to calf, primarily females, and is used to protect their snouts as they forage for fish on the abrasive seabed. This cultural transmission of tool use is a sophisticated cognitive trait. Their problem-solving skills are equally remarkable. Dolphins can understand complex commands, recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of self-awareness, and engage in cooperative hunting strategies that require intricate coordination and communication. They utilize a wide array of clicks and whistles, and it's believed that some may even have signature whistles that function much like names, allowing individuals to identify one another. This sophisticated vocal learning and communication system underpins their complex social structures, which involve long-term bonds, alliances, and even feuds between different pods. Furthermore, dolphins exhibit a remarkable capacity for abstract thought. They can understand symbols and even a rudimentary form of grammar. Their playful nature, often involving intricate games with objects or with each other, is not just for amusement, it is a crucial part of their development, helping young dolphins learn social rules and practice essential survival skills. The dolphin's brain is large and convoluted, indicative of its high level of intelligence, allowing them to navigate their complex social and physical environment with an ingenuity that continues to fascinate and inspire us. From the agile dolphin, we now journey to encounter some of the largest brains on our planet, belonging to the majestic whales. These giants of the deep, whether the filter-feeding baleen whales or the toothed predators like the orca, display astonishing social behaviors and intricate methods of communication that speak volumes of their intelligence. Consider the humpback whale, whose males compose and sing complex, evolving songs that can travel hundreds, even thousands of miles across the ocean. These songs, with their hierarchical structures of themes and phrases, are learned and shared within populations, changing gradually over time, a clear example of cultural transmission on a grand scale. Orcas, or killer whales, live in stable matrilineal pods where knowledge is passed down through generations. They exhibit highly coordinated hunting techniques tailored to specific prey, which can be incredibly complex and require immense cooperation and communication. For example, some orca populations have learned to create waves to wash seals off ice floes, while others will strategically encircle and herd fish. This level of teamwork and learned behavior demonstrates a sophisticated understanding of their environment and the capabilities of their prey, as well as an ability to teach and learn complex strategies. The social lives of whales are rich and multifaceted. They form long-lasting bonds, care for their sick or injured, and engage in communal activities that go beyond mere survival. The sheer size of their brains, coupled with these observed behaviors, suggests a deep emotional and cognitive capacity. While the full extent of their understanding of the world remains a profound mystery, their complex vocalizations, intricate social structures, and problem-solving abilities in hunting clearly indicate that these leviathans possess an intelligence that is both ancient and awe-inspiring, a resonant mind in the vast ocean theater. Often overshadowed by its 8-armed cousin, the octopus, the cuttlefish is a cephalopod of equally astonishing, though perhaps more subtly expressed, intelligence. These remarkable creatures possess one of the largest brain-to-body ratios of all invertebrates, and their cognitive abilities are truly fascinating. Most famously, they are masters of camouflage, capable of changing their skin color and texture in milliseconds to perfectly match their surroundings, or to create dazzling, dynamic displays for communication and courtship. This is not a mere reflex, it's a controlled, complex process involving thousands of chromatophores, iridophores and leucophores in their skin, all orchestrated by their sophisticated nervous system. One of the lesser-known, yet truly surprising, aspects of cuttlefish intelligence is their apparent ability to exert self-control, a trait once thought to be unique to more advanced vertebrates. Recent studies have shown that cuttlefish can delay gratification, choosing to wait for a preferred food item rather than immediately consuming a less desirable one. This capacity is often linked to planning and foresight. Furthermore, they exhibit impressive learning and memory capabilities. They can remember past events, what they ate, where and when, a form of episodic-like memory that is quite sophisticated. Their visual communication is incredibly nuanced. Male cuttlefish, for instance, can display one pattern to a female on one side of their body, indicating courtship, while simultaneously showing a rival male a completely different aggressive pattern on the other side, a remarkable feat of divided attention and intentional signaling. They also seem to be capable of deception, using their camouflage not just to hide, but to mimic other objects, or even the appearance of the opposite sex to gain a mating advantage. The cuttlefish, with its kaleidoscopic skin and keen mind, truly is a jewel of invertebrate intelligence. Our final exploration takes us to the kelp forests and rocky shorelines home to the smallest marine mammal in North America, yet one of the ocean's most resourceful and intelligent inhabitants, the sea otter. These charming creatures are renowned for their dexterity and most notably their consistent and sophisticated use of tools, a behavior relatively rare in the animal kingdom, particularly among marine mammals outside of primates and some birds. Sea otters will typically use rocks, sometimes carefully selected for size and shape, to crack open hard-shelled prey, such as clams, mussels, and sea urchins. They often keep a favorite rock, tucking it into a loose fold of skin under their forelimb while diving for more food. This tool use is not purely instinctual. It is a learned behavior often passed from mother to pup, with individual otters sometimes developing unique techniques or preferences for certain types of tools or methods of cracking. This indicates a capacity for learning, innovation, and cultural transmission. Their problem-solving abilities extend beyond foraging. Sea otters are known to be highly adaptable, capable of figuring out how to exploit new food sources or overcome obstacles in their environment. Their playful and curious nature also contributes to their learning, allowing them to explore and understand their surroundings effectively. Beyond their tool use, sea otters exhibit complex social behaviors and a remarkable ability to manipulate their environment. For instance, they wrap themselves in kelp fronds to avoid drifting away while resting or sleeping, a simple yet ingenious solution. Their high metabolism requires them to be efficient and clever hunters, and their intelligence is a key factor in their survival in a challenging coastal ecosystem. The sea otter, with its bright eyes and busy paws, truly exemplifies how intelligence can manifest in compact, energetic packages, making them undeniably one of the smartest and most engaging animals in the ocean. Thanks for joining us on this underwater adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights into the natural world. We have journeyed through a realm of profound beauty and astonishing intellect, from the cognitive intricacies of the eight-armed octopus to the resourceful tool use of the endearing sea otter. Each creature we've encountered today offers a unique window into the diverse expressions of intelligence that have evolved beneath the waves, reminding us that our understanding of the mind is ever expanding. The complex songs of the whale, the sophisticated problem-solving of the dolphin, and the dynamic camouflage of the cuttlefish all speak to a world rich in thought, communication, and awareness. These are not simply programmed automatons, they are sentient beings, navigating their lives with a cleverness that often rivals and sometimes even surpasses our own in specific contexts. The ocean's depths still hold countless mysteries, and undoubtedly many more examples of extraordinary animal intelligence await discovery, challenging our anthropocentric views. As we resurface from this exploration, let us carry with us a renewed sense of wonder and respect for these marine marvels. Their intelligence is a vital part of the intricate web of life that sustains our planet. By striving to understand them better, we not only enrich our own knowledge, but also strengthen our resolve to protect their fragile habitats. The ocean's mind is vast and deep. Let us continue to listen to its whispers.